Be it ever so humble, cozy, spacious, or condoey, there's no place like home. Hello everybody, this is Not Your Everyday Bob. Home is a small word, jam-packed with meaning and feeling for most everybody. Home equates with shelter, security, and peace of mind. And this is reflected in our language. For example, I just can't wait to get home. Or, they really made us feel at home. And of course, home is where the heart is. But there may come a time when we need to be more objective about homes and think of them as real estate. Maybe it's time to stop renting and start living in a home of your own. Or you want to list your home and go find a new one. And of course, there's always flipping and investing in real estate, which is on the upswing these days. In all of these cases, I can offer you my focused attention and highly specialized services. Best of all, I can help you keep your real estate dreams in perspective. So, for all things real estate in and around Danvers and elsewhere on the North Shore, please keep me in mind. I'd love to hear from you. Just send me an email at notyoureverydaybob.biz or call me at 978-578-7161. So long for now, and may all of your real estate dreams come true.